Welcome to the instructions video for the Attenuation Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate signal power loss as electromagnetic, acoustic, or optical waves travel through any transmission medium. It's essential for designing communication systems and ensuring your signals arrive with adequate strength. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your input power level in decibels, typically shown as dBm or dBW. Next, enter the attenuation coefficient of your transmission medium, usually expressed in decibels per unit length, like dB per kilometer. Then specify the transmission distance. For our example, let's enter an input power of 20 dBm and an attenuation coefficient of 0.5 dB per kilometer and a distance of 10 kilometers. Click the Calculate button, and the results will show your output power after traveling through the medium. In this case, you'd lose 5 dB total, giving you 15 dBm at the receiving end. The calculator may also display the total attenuation and percentage of power remaining. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.